use a thumb drive in your computer, right? This is called a thumb drive. Otherwise, that's flash drive, right? We're going to put it in the computer. We're going to look and see how we can put files to it and how we can actually take files from it, right? So we're going to guide through this particular process here, right? So while we put it in the computer here at the side, so the first thing we want to do is search for it. We're going to search for it, right? Now my time I show up here at the side, but you haven't seen that. So you're coming right in the taskbar. So they have File Explorer. You're going to click on File Explorer. So while you click on File Explorer, now you will look to see exactly. All right, there you go. I'm going to extend it just like that. So the next thing that you wanted to do is come to your left. You're going to look at this PC, and this is already in this PC. All right, when I click on this PC, here you go. This is the thumb drive itself, right? What if you want to open it? You're going to right click on it, and then you're going to click the word open, right? You know, to show exactly what I need so far. And I can click this arrow. I can actually go back just like that. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to put something to the thumb drive. Or we're going to actually send a folder to a thumb drive. So for instance, you want this folder on the thumb drive. You can put the cursor on it like that. You're going to right click. Look at it carefully on it. And right click, you open up this particular window. You're going to come down to where it says send to. You notice send to. There's an arrow to your right. Alright, whenever I see this arrow, mean that there are options. Come all the way and come right down. Notice a USB drive. That's the name of it. You're going to click on it. But that is it. We're going to transfer it to it. Right? So we're going to look to see exactly to see if you go on the thumb drive. So we're going to come right here. We're going to come here, click. We're going to right click on it now. We're going to open it. And we're going to look. Alright, here you go. This is lesson plan. Right, so we're just going to minimize this instead of close. We're going to try to put something else. We're going to try to put this math. So we're going to right click here, and when you right click, you're going to come down to the where it says send to, and then we're going to click it right here, just like that. We're going to bring it up to see if it's really there. All right. You notice? Yes. You notice math. This is less math plan and lesson plan. But how can we actually take it off of the thumb drive to put it on the desktop? We're going to put the cursor upon it, and we can right click. Come down to the this window. We're going to come all the way to the word cut and click on the word cut. And we're going to come right here and minimize it. We're going to put the cursor right here on the desktop. And I'm going to right click. Or right click, you're going to click here, so paste. Right, and notice bring up this because one was actually on the desktop already. So we're going to click that right there, open it up. So we're going to go back in the file. Notice it's not there, so lesson plan now. Right, so we're going to actually cut this one and put out. We have one outside in lesson plan already. So we're going to actually cut this one. We're going to put it outside there. And come right up on next tab. We're going to click. We're going to, yeah, right. I show you actually one was there already, so that's why. I'm going to click this one. So I'm going to put something inside there to show you on a straight basic. What about if this is a particular video you want to put to the thumb drive? So right click on it. So when you right click on it, you're going to bring up this little window. It says send to. Right, you come all the way and you click here upon it. When you click, you notice it's actually showing that it's actually loading 44% from right down. Good, and they're going to bring it up now. They're going to look for it. And this is the video that we actually put in a while ago. Right? There's another way you can actually get it out. If you have it up like this, you just come right here and restore it down. You can put the cursor right here so on it. And hold on the left side of the mouse that is touchpad. You can actually drag it out like this. Right? Notice? Just like that. There you go. Right? So drag it out like that. If you notice when you drag it out, one still left inside here. Right? Just the same. So that's a copy I can put outside. But what if you want it after the thumb drive complete? You can right click here and come right down here and press delete. Right? And say, are you sure? Delete permanent? Yes. You click that and there you go. It's off it completely. So you want to close it, come like that. But oh, do I take out the thumbnail? Just dry it out like computer like that? No, if you just dry it out like that, you can actually lose the data of it, or you can actually damage it. So what you want to do is to come all the way down here in the taskbar. This little arrow should show up as an icon. When you click on it, this itself is a thumb drive. So you're going to click on the thumb drive. You notice it's a eject, name Ultra, and you click on it. Alright, as soon as it show you, I'll give you the indication so you can actually take it out of the computer, right? Just click on it for it to come up. I want to ensure that you take it out properly, that you don't damage the flash drive, don't damage the thing, right? So it's very important, so you can actually remove it from it. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here, and if this video has helped solve some of the problem, just remember to share it with your friends.